Hello, in this video we will show you how to remove and replace the cooling radiator on Opel Zafira A. We can see here that the radiator is located behind the cooling fan. So first we need to remove the cooling fan. First we'll start by removing this air intake pipe. It's held by a couple of Torx bolts. If the video is useful, like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we're going to remove the cooling fan. The cooling fan is held by a couple of bolts, one on this side, one on the other side, and an electrical connector on the bottom. Next, we go underneath the car to remove this cable, which is held by cable ties to the cooling fan, and then remove the electrical connector. Now that everything is removed from the cooling fan, we can take it out. Next, we need to remove the bolts that hold the AC condenser to the radiator. Next, we're going to remove the two bolts holding the radiator. There is one bolt on each side. Next, we need to remove the coolant hoses from the radiator and drain the coolant. Now that everything is removed and the radiator is free, we can take it out. And that's the radiator out. Now we're gonna be replacing it with a new one. When we put on the new radiator, then we'll assemble everything back in the reverse order. Afterwards, fill the system with coolant and bleed it. And